Now we will be talking about rest values. So rest values are similar to note values, where note values produce a pitch and rest values, we don't have any pitch being produced, but we still hold the same amount of values as we would for a note value. So the top one here, we have a whole rest, and this is the symbol for it. And then a half rest, this is the symbol we use. Then we have a quarter rest, an eighth rest, 16th rest, and 32nd rest. As you can see, the 8th rest, 16th rest, and 32nd rest look somewhat similar to an 8th note, 16th note, and a 32nd note, given the fact that they both have flags being used. So 8th note would have one flag, and here 8th rest has a flag as well. 16th note has two flags, and here 16th rest has two flags. And then the 32nd note has three flags, and the 32nd rest has three flags as well. So the values of each of these equal the same as the note values. Here you can see a whole rest has the same value as a whole note. Half rest has the same value as a half note. A quarter note has the same value as a quarter rest. Eighth rest has the same value as the eighth note. 16th rest has the same value as the 16th note. And the 32nd rest has the same value as a 32nd note. So the concept is the same as when we applied it to the note values. If I have a whole rest, two half rest will equal a whole rest. If I have a half rest, two quarter rest will equal that. Same thing with the quarter rest, I'll have two eighth rest. Two 16th rests go into an 8th rest, and two 32nd rests go into a 16th rest. So then you could practice like so. If I have this value here, which is a whole rest, then how many quarter rests go into it? Well, the answer would be 4. Since 4 quarter notes go into a whole note, 4 quarter rests go into a whole rest. Let's do another one. If I have an eighth rest, that equals how many 16th rests? Well, if two 16th note equal an eighth note, then two 16th rest equal an eighth rest. So as you can see, the rest values work similar to note values. Whereas note values will give us a pitch, rest values gives us silence.